As healthcare becomes more complex, it is essential that the theoretical concepts of the basis of illness, pathophysiology, be well understood. NetCE's Pathophysiology course on the cardiovascular system, created for nurses working in both critical care and coronary care units, and those on any medical surgical unit in which patients with multiple organ system problems are found, covers pathophysiologic concepts and nursing interventions for patients with heart and coronary vessel disease and disorders. Learn to describe the key structures and functional interrelationships in the cardiovascular system. Identify the regulatory functions of the cardiovascular system, discuss the pathophysiologic and environmental influences and effects on the cardiovascular system. Review signs and symptoms of congestive heart failure and related nursing actions, and much more. Explore this course at netce.com.